delegates present?
But can I ask what is chits and how we have to vote it?
Devanshi, please take over.
Right. So chits are basically when you have doubts with other delegates, whatever they've spoken in a GSL or a moderate caucus. If you have any doubts regarding whatever they've spoke and you want to ask them any question, you can pass them a chit via private chat on Zoom. But first, if you want us also to notice whatever they've spoken, and for extra marks, you can send the chit to us, the vice chair and the chair, and then we'll forward it to delegate which you want. I hope it's clear now.
And we are going to send the chits through Zoom, the private window, the chat window, sorry. So we'll start with the roll call. You have to answer in voting or present or vote.
Exactly. Right.
Okay. Devanshi?
Yeah. USA.
Present and voting.
Vietnam.
Devanshi, you are taking the records or should I maintain?
I'm taking the records.
Okay.
Vietnam.
Present and voting.
China.
Present and voting.
Italy.
Present.
Spain.
Present.
Bangladesh.
Present and voting.
Austria. Norway. Australia.
Present and voting.
New Zealand. Delegate of New Zealand.
Present and voting.
South Korea.
Present and voting.
Ireland.
Present and voting.
Japan.
Present and voting.
India.
Present and voting.
Singapore.
Present.
Malaysia.
Present and voting.
UAE.
Present and voting.
Right. Okay. The roll call is finished.
Okay.
Pakistan, did you call Pakistan?
Oh, sorry. Pakistan.
Present.
Okay. So delegates, one more thing, yeah. If you want to change your status from voting, from present and voting, sorry, from voting to present and voting, you can send us chits for that. But you can't change from present and voting to voting. Is that okay with everyone? Okay. So delegates, are there any motions on the floor? Yes, UAE.
The
Are there any
delegate
other
of United Arab Emirates.
Okay, continue.
Okay. The delegate of United Arab Emirates would like to propose to set agenda.
Are there any other motions on the floor? Seeing none, we move to voting. Delegate of China, yes.
The delegate of China would like to set motion to open debate.
Are there any other motions on the floor? Seeing none, we move to voting. And keeping in mind both the motions are for the same thing, we'll do one voting. So delegates in favor of the motion put forward by UAE and China. The motion passes with clear majority. The floor is open to motions again to set the agenda. So are there any other motions on the floor? Yes, Delegate of Vietnam.
The delegate of Vietnam would like to raise a motion to set the agenda to right to privacy amidst the pandemic with special attention to the government's effort for contact tracing.
Okay. Any other motions on the floor? Are there any other motions on the floor? Seeing none, we move to voting. Delegates in favor of the motion. It's majority, the motion passes, and now the floor is open to GSLs. Delegates wishing to speak in the GSL. Delegate of Japan, you are recognized. South Korea, you are recognized. UAE, you are recognized. China, New Zealand, Vietnam, Spain, Italy, Australia, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Italy, you are recognized. India, UAE, you are recognized. Ireland. So we'll be taking other names later. So first in line is the delegate of Japan.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Just give me a second. Is everyone, can everyone hear the delegate of Japan? I hope there is no problem with the audio.
No.
Yeah, she's audible.
Okay, delegate, continue.
481,000 deaths all around the world. The presence of the coronavirus is felt worldwide. The fear widespread. With numbers increasing each day, several countries have decided to take measures like lockdowns, emergencies, quarantine centers for travelers, and contact tracing. Good morning, Honorable Executive Board and my fellow delegates. Privacy is a fundamental right, essential to autonomy and the protection of human dignity, serving as a foundation upon which many other human rights are built. It is the need of the hour to talk about data privacy. Japan understands this, and keeping this in mind, released its contact tracing app, COCO, on the 19th of June. No personal information is asked, no location data is used, including GPS data. The app was a success and has been downloaded 3.71 million times. What the world needs right now is solidarity. With solidarity, we can defeat the virus and build a better world. Rightly quoted by Antonio Guterres, Secretary General, the United Nations. The delegate of Japan sincerely hopes that the global community will collectively work together, and this conference will bear fruit in the form of a solution to this severe situation we are in. Thank you.
Delegates, you have 15 seconds remaining.
I would like to yield my time to the chair.
Okay. Delegates, there is no questions or comments. So, moving forward, delegate of South Korea.
Good morning, Honorable Chair. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
Delegate.
Okay. A very good morning to the Honorable Chair and delegates of the House. The global pandemic has been an extremely challenging situation for all countries, nonetheless to the Republic of Korea. Protection of every citizen's personal information is one of the top priority of a government. In the modern era, where data is held by high esteem by the individuals and it can also be nimbly stolen, this becomes a challenging task. Ever since the first case of COVID-19, which was discovered on 20th January, South Korea has acted quickly and efficiently. The government started contact tracing, mandatory screening and quarantine of travelers, and raised more public awareness of the virus. On the late February, when South Korea was at its peak, an intensive tracking and testing campaign reduced the numbers to single digits by late April. South Korea has so far recorded a total of 12,438 cases with only 280 deaths. It was because of smart digital tracking that South Korea was able to fight the pandemic without a full shutdown. This has helped many citizens to not lose their jobs and also conserve the economy. South Korea plans to build out a smart city database and use tracking bracelets if only the patients consent. To conclude, the delegate of South Korea sincerely hopes that the global community will come together and fight this pandemic and also come up with beneficial solutions together. Thank you very much, delegates of the House.
Delegate, the first GSL is up to the EB's discretion. So we'll keep it for 15 minutes. And open for motions again.
Pardon me, Honorable Chair, can you repeat what you said?
The first GSL is up to the EB's discretion. So we have set the limit for 15 minutes. And then the floor is again open for motions. Okay. Delegate of Pakistan, you had some issues with hearing. Delegate of Pakistan. She is not here. Moving forward, Delegate of UAE. Delegate of UAE, you can start.
Yeah, with my GSL, right?
Yes.
21st June 2020, a new era when we are frightened to step out of our own apartments, a time period where governments of various nations running effortlessly to match up. Are you all, can you hear me?
Yes.
Delegate.
Yes, delegate, you're
Are you
audible.
are you going to restart?
Should I restart?
Yeah, please.
Right, definitely. 25th June 2020, a new era when we are frightened to step outside of our apartments, a time period where governments of various nations running effortlessly to match up how it used to be in 25th June 2019. But in this effortless scuttle to defeat this pandemic, we forgot to safeguard our privacy and respect basic human rights. And this could result on June 25th, 2021 with a severe world crisis of privacy casualties. Respected Chairperson and Assistant Chairperson, and my dear fellow delegates. During this 21st century, where technology is its at highest peak, maintaining and controlling most of the epidemic in nations has become less complex due to the last pandemic. That happened in 1920s, which is a Spanish flu. We have high technological surveillance methods, but as a golden rule of resource states that nothing comes without the side effects goes very well with this current situation. It is not just the modern epidemiological surveillance and contact tracing methods used by countries not only allows us to monitor the spread of this great epidemic, but also causes severe privacy casualties and improper data management. The United Arab Emirates have constituted of 7 great emirates, have conducted a lot of campaigns and got many projects in controlling this epidemic, including the app of Trace COVID, which does not allow for the patient to give any of his personal information or any personal data that violates their right to privacy. It's completely based on the terms and conditions, and it is not at all forced by the state towards a citizen.
Delegate, you're not audible.
From our important for us to safeguard the right to health and life of our nation by respecting the right to privacy of a formidable residents of a great nation, by not making tracing
Delegate,
technological
you have
apps
exhausted your
and
time. Delegate, you have exhausted your time.
uh, yeah, I finished my speech.
Sorry?
I have finished my speech. Was I audible?
Yeah, you were audible, but you've exhausted your time. You've exhausted your 90 seconds.
Okay, I'm so
Since
sorry.
you can't hear the tap, so I'll be speaking from the next time. Is it okay with you all? Because the taps are not audible to you all, I guess. Next, we have the delegate of China. Delegate of China.
Sorry for the interruption, Chair. The delegate of China is not able to join the meeting.
Do we have any IP member here? Yeah, delegate of China is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, delegate, you may begin. Delegate of China, you may begin with your GSL speech.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair and distinguished delegates, the world is in a vulnerable situation due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has 9,296,202 confirmed cases reported to WHO. Many countries have given recommendations and shared their knowledge to battle this pandemic. The People's Republic of China believes in exercising vigilance and focuses on finding, testing, and isolating for every case. Wuhan was the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak, and to quell this virus, Beijing embarked on one of the largest mass mobilizations to control the spread of virus. People who are in close contact with someone infected with the virus are at a higher risk for getting infected themselves. Monitoring this exposure will also help contacts to get care and treatment. The Alipay Health Code app launched by China helps to regulate the citizens' movement. The software issues a colored health code, green, yellow, or red. Other quarantine laws were also quite effective and bought time for China and the world. The delegate of China firmly believes that we are most vulnerable when we are divided, and with global cooperation, this pandemic will be overcome. Thank you.
Delegate, you have good number of 20 seconds remaining.
The delegate of China would like to yield for point of information.
Delegate, there is no yield to point of information. It's either to the chair or floor or to another delegate. You want to lapse the time or?
Apologies, I would like to yield to the floor.
Then the time lapses. Next, we have New Zealand, delegate of New Zealand.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, delegate, you're audible.
Okay, once. COVID-19, the talk of the town, topic that is everywhere trending.